Here I have iPad 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to activate accessibility shortcuts on this device. So accessibility shortcuts is when you triple press power button and you can access some of accessibility actions. So to do this, you have to go to settings, then go to the accessibility section, then go to the accessibility shortcuts, and here you have to just select which actions you want to perform. You have to triple click home button, not power button. So yeah, let's pick for example AssistiveTouch, classic invert, magnifier. And now when you triple press home button, you can access this menu. You can enable AssistiveTouch. Here you can enable classic invert and other features which you can add in this menu here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.